Hi children, now we are going to read today. Okay, the title is Pick the Correct Pair. First, we'll have a row of pictures, then another row of words. We're going to look at the word, spell the word and see what is the word. Learn to read and recognize the word. Then we will see if the word and the picture matches. That's called the pair. So we're going to tick the pair. That means the picture and the word both must be together. Then we'll say tick or wrong. Okay? It's a very interesting exercise if you know to read. So let's look at our first exercise. I say it is interesting because if you can read these words and see the picture matches with that, that means you're very clever. So what are we going to look at first? Let's look at what is the pictures given to us, shall we? Yeah, what is this? Good, mango, apple, very good, grapes, banana, orange. So we have 5 fruits here. Mango, apple, grape, banana and orange. Now, do we know to spell these words? Recognize these words for the picture. That's it. Look here. Let's first look at this. What is this? Please read the word M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Good. Read it again. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Next word. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Very good. And the third word is G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Next one. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Say it again. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And the last word is here. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Let's look at all the first letters. First we have M. N for mango. B. Banana. G. Grapes. Apple. Or orange. Look. Now we are going to see which is the correct pair. Which picture matches the correct word? Shall we? Is it interesting? Look, what is this? Mango. Very good. Spell mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So this pair, mango picture and the word picture is correct. So we put a tick in the circle here. Now look, a tick is. Yes? Did you enjoy the exercise? Yes. Mango. Mango. Good. Let's look at the second one. What is this picture? Apple. But what is given here? Banana. Is this a banana? Is this a banana? No. It doesn't match. The pair is not correct. So we say that pair is wrong. It's given here apple, but it's given here banana. So we put a wrong sign. Into sign. You got it too correct? Good. Now let's look at the third one. Picture of grapes. Grape. The word grape starts with what letter? G. Gra. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Picture of grapes and the word grape. Is it right or wrong? Correct. So we put a tick here. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. Let's take the next one. What picture is this? Banana. But what word is this? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Is this an apple? No. This is a banana and the word put is apple. Is it correct or wrong? The pair is not matching. Therefore, we say wrong. The pair doesn't match. Picture is different. The word is different. Let's look at the last one. What is this? It's a picture of an orange. Orange, the color and the fruit same. Orange. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. The spelling of the orange, both. The pair is matching. So we put a tick here. Okay. So now let's see which are the mango, grapes, grapes, orange, orange. 3 pairs are correct here. Did you enjoy the exercise? Fantastic. Let's take another set of words and pictures and match the pair. Good. We have. First, let's look at the pictures. What are they? Brinjal. This is a carrot. This is onion. And these are tomatoes. And here you have peas. What is that pea? Pea pod. Yes, pea pod. And tomato, onions, brinjal. Now let's look at all these words. Let's learn to spell and say. What is Tomato? Tomato. Good. Tomato. Good. Next word. It starts with C. Carrot. Spell carrot. 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 Excellent. Spell O-N. Onion. Next one. T-O. M-A-T-O. Tomato. And the last one. Let's read C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. So now we are going to see which pair the pair is correct. So we saw the pictures. Let's look at the spelling. What's the first spelling here? Tomato. Spell tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Next. What is that word? Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Next. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Next. Again, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. And finally, the last word is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Look at all the 5 words. Say it quickly. Tomato, carrot, onion, tomato, carrot. Now, we're going to pair up. Pair the picture with the correct word. Shall we? Look. What do we have here? Brinjal. Brinjal, the spelling given is tomato. Is it correct? Is the pair matching? Brinjal and tomato. So it's not correct. So we put a wrong sign here. Okay? Very good. Let's take the second one. So we put a wrong sign here. This is brinjal, this is tomato. That's not correct. We are supposed to tick the correct pair. What is this? Carrot. Spell carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. So the picture of the carrot, spelling of the carrot is matching. It's a correct pair. So we put a tick here. The question is, tick the correct pair. Next one. We have a picture of few onions here. And the spelling of onions here. O-N-I-O-N. Picture of onion, spelling of onion. Both are matching. The pair is correct. So we put a tick at the end here. Are you happy? Let's take the next one. What is this? The picture of some tomatoes. Yes. And spelling of tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. So you picture and the spelling. The pair is correct. This is matching. Picture and the spelling is matching. So we put a tick at the end. Finally, we have picture of pea pod and the spelling is carrot. The pea pod and the carrot, it doesn't match. So we put wrong here. We put the wrong side. Let's look what is correct. Carrot, picture and the spelling C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, correct. Onion, picture and onion spelling O-N-I-O-N, onion, correct. And the third one, tomato, and the spelling picture and the spelling tomato, tomato, correct. So the three pairs are correct here. Good. Are you happy? Let's take another set of pictures and words. Learn to read, recognize, connect the pair, take the pair. Okay? Look what you have here. What's first one? Let's look at the pictures first. Book, ball, clock, cup and box. Book, ball, clock, teacup and box. Now let's look at all the words. Learn to read the word. Only then we can connect the pair. Read. B-O-O-K, book. Read this. Book. Good. Next. B-A-L-L, ball. What is this? Ball. Good. Read this. C-L-O-C-K, clock. What is this? Clock. Read this. F-L-A-S-K, flask. What is it? Flask. And finally, C-U-P, cup. What is this? Cup. Now, we are going to match the pair. The picture and the word must match. First one. What is this? Nice big green book. Spell book. B-O-O-K, book. The picture of the book. Spelling of the book. The pair is correct. It is matching. We put tick in the last column. The picture and the word is matching. So the pair is correct. Second one. What is this? Ball. Spell ball. B-A-L-L, ball. The picture of the ball, spelling of the ball, both are correct. The pair is correct. It is matching. So we put a tick at the end in the circle. So the two pairs are correct. Let's take the third one. Here is a wall clock. Spell clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. So we have the picture of the clock and the word clock, spelling all correct. So we put a tick in the circle. Good. Next, we have a teacup here and the spelling flask is here. Teacup and flask doesn't match. So we put a cross in the last column. That correct? Good. Finally, we have a box here, but the spelling is cup. Box and cup, it doesn't match, so we put wrong there. Now, let's see which is the correct pair. Book, book, correct. Ball, ball, correct. Clock, clock, correct. So, three are correct. We have matched the correct pair. Are you happy? Good. Now, let's go to another exercise. Look at the pictures. Look at the words. Shall we? Let's look at the pictures first. We have a moon here. We have a cloud here. We have a sun here. A jet and a star. Moon, cloud, sun, jet, star. Lovely pictures, isn't it? Let's look at the words. Let's see whether we can read the word. First one. Spell and read. M-O-O-N. Moon. What is this? Moon. Next. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. What is it? Rainbow. Next. S-U-N. Sun. What is this? Sun. Next. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird. And here, S-T-A-R, star. Star. Now we are going to do the pairing. We have moon, cloud, sun, jet and star. And we have moon, rainbow, sun, bird and star. We're going to look at the pairs. Shall we? Look. What picture is this? It's a picture of a moon. How do you spell moon? M-O-O-N, moon. This pair is correct. The picture and the word matching. The correct pair. So we put a tick in the last circle. Let's take the second. Here you have a cloud, but you have a rainbow here. The cloud and the rainbow It doesn't match, not a correct pair. So we put a wrong sign in the circle. Good. We put a wrong sign. Now, what picture is this? We have a picture of a sun. Spell sun. S-U-N, sun. The picture and the spelling, they are matching. It's a correct pair. So we put a tick in the last circle. Are you happy? Good. Now let's look at this. We have a jet and bird. The jet and the bird, it doesn't match. So in the last circle, we put a wrong sign. Not correct. Finally, we have a star. What is the spelling of star? S-T-A-R, star. The picture of the star, spelling of the star, both are matching. So we put a tick in the last circle. Let's see now which is correct. Now, moon, picture, moon, correct. Sun, picture, sun, word, correct. Star, picture, word, star, correct. So 3 are correct. We learn to read, we learn to recognize the picture. Very good. Did you enjoy?